Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a gradient background in Photoshop. Unlock the bottom layer, double tap it, then choose Gradient Overlay. Photoshop has so many different gradient options you can choose from. Let's go with this red. You can rename your custom gradient color, and in the bottom you can play around. You can change the value, or sometimes you can also add different colors. It's completely up to you and your preferences. You can keep adding colors and change the values to create something completely original. Then you have reverse, it's basically reverse, and you have these style options where you can choose different styles of gradient you want. Then you have scale and the angle. That's it basically, but you have different options, and these tools will allow you to create your own things, like you can change the opacity or you can change the angle to create something completely new. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps.